Today we're going to install the side mirror kit on our 2025 Yamaha RMAX4 1000 XTR stretch. Now this is probably one of my favorite accessories that Yamaha has because I really like to see what's going on in front of me, and I also like to see what's going on behind me. And when we're going down the trail, my wife likes to see what's going on behind us as well. So the side view mirrors really pay off big when you're out on the trail. And these mirrors are really quality mirrors. They're not like a lot of the mirrors where you can't really see. They're kind of distorted and everything looks all crazy. So this, you can really see what's going on behind you. And I've already clipped a couple trees with these mirrors, and they held up really well. They just kind of fold in. You just push them back out and keep on going. They don't take long to install, so let's go ahead and get it started. You're gonna have a left mount and a right mount when you go to install these. They go on just like this. Now we have the Yamaha tip-up windshield on here, so we're gonna have to take these two bolts out, and then we'll go ahead and re-bolt it from the inside out to this mount. Then we're gonna go ahead and take these longer bolts out, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these from the inside out. So this is the mount. All right, so now we have those tightened up from the inside. You can mount these up before you mount your brackets on here, but I like to do it after because I like to get these on here and then I'll put this mirror on here. Now, when you go to put this mirror on here, you'll notice that it has like a protective film on it. Sometimes this film is hard to see, so you really don't know there's one on there, but you just go ahead and pull that off and you got a clean, scratch-free mirror. What you can do is, once you get in there and you get inside and you kind of see where you need it at as far as like up and down, and then you'll fine tune it with your mirror. You'll move that where you want it. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the driver's side. All right, we have the driver's side mount on. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the mirror on. All right, now that you got both sides on there, you'll go ahead and have whoever the driver is jump in there and then kind of adjust them up and down, and then you'll fine tune them with the glass itself. Well, there we go, guys. That's all there is to it. Pretty easy install. It makes all the difference out on the trail. If you want more information, you can go to yamahamotorsports.com or check out your local Yamaha dealer. If you got any questions, feel free to hit me up. We'll see y'all. Take care. Have a good one.